This is a very special place. The moku in which the Fairmont Kealani sits on is Honuaʻula. And the ahupua'a, which is within that moku, is Palauea. And the ahupua'a stems from Haleakala, or the top of the mountain, all the way to our ocean front right here. So from the sea to the mountain is what inspired our designs. And from in back of me, which is our Alala Keiki channel, which is to the left of Koho'olave. And the next channel, the Kealai Kahiki channel, which is also known as a roadway or pathway to Tahiti. You really feel like you're getting a sense of outdoors coming in. It's a subtle, understated elegance. So all of these little touches and inspirations came about through this entire area that we're on. I feel like the design here incorporates all of Hawaii. I feel like what makes it truly different and unique is we did things, in my opinion, culturally correct. Our Ahupua, Palauea, is truly a special and sacred place. And I think our guests will feel that and get to be re-energized when they come here, so that when they return home, wherever they are, they'll feel connected and reconnected with themselves. Because only when you can connect with yourself can you aloha everybody else and connect with everyone.